A snowstorm created very dangerous driving conditions last night.
Yeah, from the Grapevine to Big Bear, we have live team coverage. Let's start with CBS 2's Leslie Marin, who is live in Big Bear, where vehicles got stuck in the snow. Leslie?
Yeah, Peter, Suzanne, we just got out of our mobile weather lab a few minutes ago, and luckily it has four-wheel drive, so we were able to get up here without a problem. We just made it to Big Bear City, and you can see there are vehicles driving along the 18, but they're not going very fast. That's because if you look down on the roadway, it is still very icy, has a lot of that slushy snow still on it, but you are able to come up here right now. If you don't have a four-wheel drive, you will need to have snow change. It is very slippery up here. Even on our way up here, we saw several vehicles that had just stopped because their cars cannot handle these conditions. But I want to take video from Highway 38 between Angeles Oaks and Big Bear. That is where CHP reported up to 600 cars that got stuck on the mountain in the snow. Last night, CHP started getting reports of crashes and cars sliding on the road, getting stuck in the snow by 11 p.m. That is when they said 600 vehicles were crowded on the 38, making it very difficult for Caltrans to clear those roadways. Luckily, they were able to bring out the snowplows right around 3 a.m. and reopen those roadways. Now, there are reports of people having to sleep in their cars overnight. This morning, we're hearing that despite the roads being clear, many people did abandon their vehicles and left them on the side of the road. Luckily, no reports of any major injuries just yet, but I want to get to video of a pretty amazing rescue from Saturday night near Crab Flats. This is where San Bernardino firefighters had to use their snowcats to rescue 15 people and 4 dogs. They faced fog, a downed tree, and very snowy conditions, but they were able to get everyone out safely. Back out here live, take a look. You can see a lot of these cars do have all that snow piled on them, and drivers do have to come through here very slowly. Again, like I said, the 18 and the 38 are reopened, but if you don't have a four-wheel drive, you will need those snow chains. And if you don't have to come up here at all, CHP and Caltrans are asking people to just stay away. Suzanne, Peter.
Good idea, Leslie. Thank you.